In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom audience in Facebook ads. This feature is an incredibly powerful tool for advertisers, allowing you to tailor your marketing efforts to reach specific groups of people who are more likely to be interested in your products or services. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Facebook Ads Manager. This is the hub for all your advertising activities on Facebook, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Once you're there, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice an icon labeled Audiences. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can manage all your audience settings, including creating and editing custom audiences. Now, with the Audiences section open, look for the button that says Create a Custom Audience. Click on it, and this will open up a window with several options for how you can define your custom audience. Facebook provides multiple options to create these audiences, like using website traffic, customer lists, app activity, and more. Each option allows you to target your ads more precisely by using data from different sources. Let's say you choose website traffic to create your custom audience. This option allows you to target people who have visited your website. You can specify the time frame and the particular pages they've visited. This is particularly useful if you want to re-engage visitors who came close to making a purchase but didn't quite complete the transaction. Alternatively, if you want to use a customer list, make sure you have a file ready with your customer data. This file should include identifiers like email addresses or phone numbers. Facebook will match this data with its users to create your audience. It's a great way to reach out to your existing customers with new offers or updates. After selecting your source and defining the parameters for your custom audience, you'll need to give it a name. Make sure it's something descriptive that you'll remember later on. Once you've done that, click Create Audience to finish the process. Facebook will then start populating your audience, which may take some time depending on the size of the audience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom audience in Facebook ads. This tool is an excellent way to target your advertising more effectively, ensuring that your ads are seen by the people most likely to be interested in them. By taking the time to create and refine these audiences, you can boost your ad performance and get a better return on your investment. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.